Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram bug where your post disappear. In your profile says no post. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Let's get into the video. First thing first, we'll go to the Play Store and update your Instagram. For that, search Instagram and make sure to update the Instagram. Once you updated, let's go to the second step. So go to your browser or on your computer or on your mobile phone and type instagram.com, not on the Google. Make sure to type on the URL place, instagram.com, and click enter. So it will navigate to the browser page and click login, enter your username and password, and check if your posts are there. If your posts are there on your web browser, that means bug on the mobile app. Let's fix that. Step 3, let's delete the Instagram and install the latest version. So go back to your home screen and go to the Instagram, hold it for a while, or click the right click and click remove app. So Instagram will be completely removed from your phone. Once it's done, go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and install the latest version. So this method will fix the issue, and if you go to your profile, can see all your posts you have been posted all these years. Thank you for watching. If it's worked, please hit the like button and subscribe for more updates.